we have already available the Retrotech D, a front-mounted dynamic retroflectometer system, and now developing software also to include artificial intelligence for data analysis. I suppose as a result, surveyors can now survey full lane widths, inclusive of left lines, center lines, or edge of center lines, or lane lines, also markings and symbols in the center of the line, and also road suds, all in the one pass. And the processing of the data uses the techniques we discussed here today, machine vision, LED, and artificial intelligence, to simply post-survey processing, simplify post-survey processing, and also highlight the issues with road markings. Artificial will assist to identify these marking and symbols, an arrow, a stop sign, etc., as I've said, but also determine the amount of wear on the road markings